How to install the IVO cylinder pendant mount from Gotham Lighting. Before we begin, review the installation manual for a complete list of safety instructions. With the IVO cylinder family, choose from 2 different aperture sizes and 4 different cylinder body lengths, ranging from a shallow cylinder to extra long cylinders. The installation experience is the same across all shapes and sizes for the pendant mount cylinder. When a pendant cord mount cylinder is specified, first, calculate the necessary cord length by using the equation shown on screen. Feed the supply wires through the canopy and mounting bracket. Push the supply wires through the swivel ball and feed the suspension cable through the cable gripper. IVO cylinder cords have a patented design to hold both suspension and electrical wires within the same cord jacket, providing a quicker installation experience. Route the wires on both sides of the component and tie a safety knot in the aircraft cable for extra protection. Then, secure the cross member to the swivel ball using the screws provided. Align the swivel ball groove with the mounting plate tab. Match the wires together and push them through the openings in the mounting plate. Rotate the mounting plate clockwise until the screws align with the ends of the key slots. Next, connect the wires together and secure the junction box screws. Lift the canopy cover up to the ceiling and align the spring clips on the cover with the cutouts on the mounting plate. Then, snap the canopy cover springs onto the perimeter of the mounting plate. Refer to the installation manual for specific J-box configuration options and mounting requirements. For the pendant stem mount, assemble the stem sections together using the threaded joiner provided. Cut the stem length using the equations shown on screen. Apply the provided adhesive to the threads to complete the connection. Next, push the stem into the swivel ball. Use a 3/16" drill bit to drill through both sides of the stem. Then, tighten the 2 screws on the swivel ball to secure it to the stem. Next, feed the wires through the assembled stem. To install the stem to the fixture, loosen the finish nut at the top of the cylinder body. Then, thread the stem into the cylinder. Tighten the set screw to lock it into place. For both stem and cord, there are slots on the cylinder to adjust the positioning up to 90 degrees to align the square cylinder to the canopy and wall if necessary. To adjust the alignment, loosen the 2 adjustment screws and rotate the fixture to the desired position. Next, secure the adjustment screws and finish nut. Match the wires together and push them through the openings in the mounting plate. Next, connect the wires together and secure the junction box screws. Lift the canopy cover up to the ceiling and align the spring clips on the cover with the cutouts on the mounting plate. Then, snap the canopy cover springs onto the perimeter of the mounting plate. Trims are field interchangeable by manually pulling down to overcome the spring lock. Optics can be removed with a simple twist and lock mechanism. To learn more about IVO cylinders, visit gothamlighting.acuitybrands.com.